What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to change out the spark plugs and the coils on an '07 Mustang. Classifies to the body style with the 4.6 liter engine on it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you have to do to get it done. Most of the time I like doing this spark plugs whenever the engine's a little bit worn, so you won't break the spark plugs because they're known to be broken. If they are broken, well, you will need an extractor. But yeah, y'all go ahead and enjoy the time lapse. Alright guys, that was a short time lapse, but all I'm gonna tell you is go ahead and get the Motorcraft. It's just way better than any other brand for the Fords, especially the Mustangs. I've tried different brands, they mess up, they start misfiring, they don't last. To take them off, you need a 9/16 socket. This is an extended one to take off the spark plugs. I already took one off and it's kind of beat up. I haven't changed it in a while, so it's time for it. So I'm gonna show you real quick what you gotta do to take them off. You gotta go ahead and take off 7mm bolt on each coil. Unplug the coil connection, and that'll be it. And you have a lot of space for the back ones as well on the 4.6. On both sides you have enough space on both sides to do it, so it's pretty easy to do it. Just go ahead and do it whenever it's a little bit warm. That's what I do with the cars, so they won't break. But that's pretty much it. And there will be more stuff coming to this car, so y'all stay tuned. Upcoming for it, maybe new wheels, maybe not. I'm still working that out. But I will show you a video on how to take all the suspension apart. There's a video coming up for, I'm waiting on those parts for the rear end. And besides that, if y'all need anything, you just go ahead. As I told you before, I will answer y'all's questions. Leave it on the comments. I'll get back to y'all. And y'all have a great day.